Hello there, my friends. So it is Kraken week, according to some of the D&D YouTubers that have millions of subscribers, and I only have 13,700. But thanks for subscribing, everybody. I appreciate your support. And if you want to join the team, go ahead. So it's Kraken week, so I have to tell some stories. I've had this book for the longest time, and now it has to go back in the library. It's a shame because I have so many things in this book I want to talk about with you. But there is a chapter in here, Storm King's Thunder, called Caught in the Tentacles. And there's this really cool ship, and it kind of looks like a squid. And then there's a development where there's a part called the Kraken cometh, and the Kraken will come and announce itself by putting its tentacles behind your ship. Well, I have to tell you this not this week, but the week before, I was teaching Dungeons and Dragons at a local university summer camp at a university, but for kids. And on the last day, everything I was teaching for a week, 3rd through 5th graders, how to play Dungeons and Dragons. So I ran a scenario where they were on a ship because I wanted to limit their abilities to run rampant all over the world. And so I thought, okay, if I put them on a ship, I can contain the action, and they won't just go crazy killing NPCs. Unfortunately, I found a way to do that anyway. But here was the scenario. So I said, okay, you're on a ship, and they looked at the diagram of the ship, and it was going to be a surprise what was in the cargo hold. But one of the clever young men saw he said, "What's this grate?" You know, and I said, "Well, that's the entrance to the cargo hold, right?" And he said, "Well, what's in the cargo hold?" So they jumped right to it. I was going to have them be attacked by pirates, and then have the contents of the cargo hold, which were live dinosaurs, kind of be a complication as they were being attacked and trying to repel these pirates. But instead, we did that first. So he said, well, there's live dinosaurs down there. So they confronted the captain as to why he was smuggling live dinosaurs. And he said he was just doing a commission, to transport them, to sell them, to the highest bidder. And so I told them that the pirates were coming to, liberate the dinosaurs. And they were with a organization called Blue Peace, and so they bought that. Half of them bought that. The other half thought they were going to sell them, and to the highest bidder. The other ones thought they were going to rescue them. So it became like a moral dilemma. So while they were sorting all that out, I threw a Kraken at them. I said, you see these tentacles come up from the bottom of the depths and grab the ship. And one of the 4th graders stood up, and he started like fist pumping, right? Like, yes, 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 with both arms. And he was like, I get to kill a Kraken. He was so happy about it. His name was Sebastian. So now I call him Sebastian the Kraken Killer. It's not exactly a rhyme, but it's close. And and so he just had the greatest time with that. So he jumps in the Kraken's mouth. He tries to force the mouth stay open with his staff. He dove down in the Kraken's gullet, tried to pull out his heart. I said, well, he rolled like a 20 to do so. So I'm like, okay, you get one of the hearts, but he's got 4 hearts. He just made that up on the fly. Another kid wanted to jump inside of him and try to take control of his brain, steer him around like an Autobot or something. So I thought, these guys were having a blast with it. So I had to share that with you. What a joy, a pleasure, an honor that I get to teach kids how to play Dungeons and Dragons. And some of these kids had never played it before, and teach them things like cooperative strategy, some mathematics, um, definitely interactive storytelling, and just have a blast with it. I actually got to teach a little bit of history, some finance, uh, just so much fun. So if you ever get the chance to do it, I highly recommend teaching kids how to play Dungeons and Dragons. It's a lot of fun. So happy Kraken week, everybody. I know it's the end of the week, and I didn't get on board with this earlier, but I just found out about it from my Tuesday night DM, our Dolmen Wood campaign. And yeah, so I hope you guys have a great day out there. Keep your head up and watch out for Kraken tentacles. Thanks again for subbing the channel. I'll talk to you on the next one.